Hi, this is Maria Claudius, and today we're going to talk about how to learn a foreign language for beginners. There are many benefits to learning a second language. First of all, the usage of a new language allows for new areas in our brain to develop, and this allows us to have an increase in critical thinking skills, memory, and concentration. Secondly, it gives us the ability to communicate with others that don't speak English, which gives us a new perspective, and that new perspective allows us to have greater empathy because we can understand the struggles and cultures of the world around us. And last but not least, career. Having a second or third language under your belt allows that person access to the international markets, and when applying to jobs, employers are more likely to hire them due to their knowledge. As someone who is almost fluent in 4 languages now, the resources that helped me learn those 4 languages were mainly from books such as a dictionary and for practice, apps that we can find on our phones such as Duolingo or Babbel, video lessons that I personally found on YouTube, but there are many more outside on the internet, and in-person classes either at universities or in high school. There is this myth that those who are older than 18 have a very difficult time and can basically not learn a new language due to their brain not being able to absorb that information. However, that is simply untrue. In reality, studying a foreign language is just as hard as trying to comprehend an unfamiliar concept. And so don't let this myth scare you off from pursuing your goal to learn a new language. Data shows that only 5% of foreign language learners will succeed at fulfilling his or her goal. However, there are ways to overcome that statistic, and we know that because of those 95% who have failed, 22 have said that the root cause for failure is due to a lack of motivation and consistency. The journey to learning a new language comes with getting bored over time or frustration. To overcome that, creating a list of reasons for why you wanted to learn this new language helps later to regain that interest. It is also important to remember to stay consistent because to achieve complete fluency in a new language, it takes approximately 2.5 years. One way of staying consistent is through spaced repetition. So studying something over a period of time over and over again, even if it's just for a couple minutes a day, allows us to remember that information over the long run. Finally, it's important to maintain realistic goals. It's impossible to learn an entire language in just a couple weeks, but instead we have to think of it as small victories over a larger span of time, and those victories accumulate to produce greater results. And the goals can look like being able to read a newspaper article in that language, or even just learning 10 new words. Some concepts that are necessary for every foreign language learner to know are vocabulary, grammar, syntax, and pronunciation. As can be seen in the German example up above, in order to make a sentence that is understandable to both native speakers and later yourself, it is important to have an understanding of all 4. After gaining that basic understanding of the language, there are other methods to continue learning it through speaking with native speakers, listening to TV programs, movies, radio channels, podcasts, audiobooks, or songs, or just trying to read as many books, periodicals, or subtitles whenever possible. Preferably, however, it is recommended to do all 3. Once an intermediate or advanced level of understanding for the language is achieved, preserving that progress through continuous daily use is important. This is because it's really easy to forget the knowledge that we once acquired if we do not practice it all the time. And so out of the 21% of language learners who couldn't reach their goal, indicated that not being able to preserve their progress was the reason they ultimately failed. So to reiterate how to learn a foreign language for beginners, it is important to maintain your motivation and consistency throughout the entire process, create goals that are achievable, all before embarking on this journey. And then it is important to create a basis by having an understanding of the vocabulary, grammar, syntax, and pronunciation. Once that is adequately achieved, it is now possible to integrate mainstream media and conversational opportunities, which increases one's learning curve. Hopefully this helped in understanding how to learn a new language and where to start.